आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज टीवी 74। खबर शामिल करते हैं।
26.5 million people in the Democratic Republic of the Congo are facing acute hunger as conflict, displacement, and humanitarian shortages continue to worsen conditions across the country, says Rana Basharat Ali Khan. Nearly 3.6 million people are now at emergency levels of food insecurity, with millions lacking food, healthcare, shelter, and protection. He urged the international community to immediately increase humanitarian assistance, ensure civilian protection, and allow unrestricted relief access to affected areas. Rana Basharat Ali Khan also expressed concern over worsening human rights violations in Afghanistan, including restrictions on women and girls, arbitrary arrests, and suppression of freedoms. He further warned that the rapid depletion of natural sand resources is becoming a serious environmental and human security challenge, calling for sustainable resource management policies worldwide.